Hi, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a plan with me, and I have my inserts already pulled out, and let me just show you what I will be using. I have pulled out, this is just the pink kit that goes with the insert. And as always, you can download the insert for free. The link will be in the description box, but I'm using like what's left of the pink set. You can see it's pretty much empty. And then just my alphas. I think I use these on just about every project. They are kind of my standard. I probably either use the pink or the gold. And also, I'm very excited to show you something new. I have a new kit in the shop, and this is kind of why I haven't been having as many videos of. I've been working on this like the past 2 weeks, but let me just show you what is inside. This is the Shine Bright kit, and it's been a minute since I put a new kit up. Let me just show you what's in here. You flip this over and get these in the inside. It comes with like two each of these doll die cuts, or two of each one, and they come in 2 different skin tones. That's the light, and that is the dark. Let me just pull everything out. And also some die cuts, and I may do a separate video on like what's all inside of here. And this die cut just comes clipped on there. I won't pull it off because I don't think I'm gonna use it in my planner. Then you get two of these gold sticker sheets and a sheet of the stickers, and it's just one in each skin tone. And you can pick which one you want. And then let me show you the die cuts, which are my favorite. And I'll just spread them out right here. And I'll do another video showing everything, because all of this I won't be using in my planner. But that's just the die cuts that come in there. And also it comes with 8 4x6 cards. I think there are maybe 4 or 5 designs each, and they are double-sided. And let me see, yeah, a few of the designs, some of the designs repeat on the back. These are the cards. And then my favorite, it comes with this sticker book, and this is probably what I will be using the most in my planner. And I'm just do a quick flip through. It has 12 sheets. Alright, and that is what's included in there. And let's get to the plan with me. I'll probably be using this in my planner like either for this month. I'm not sure, because I was trying something new with my planner. I was still using the mini inserts, but I was putting them in the classic size Happy Planner. So I wasn't really doing a new layout every week. I was just kind of decorating the back of it. And to get started, let me just put a few of these down and put my list boxes. I'm gonna just go ahead and use everything that's on here. Everything that's on this sheet, go ahead and use it up. Alright, now that those are down, let me go ahead and see. And I said I was going to use that sheet, but I had one left. I may use it, but let's see what will work from here. I wish I hadn't put, I may pull it up. Alright, that's stuck down. It's not coming up, but I do want to use one of these. I don't know why I didn't, I guess I forgot that sheet was in there, but look how cute. It's like a little notebook page. I feel like I should pull something up. And I cannot find my little tweezers that I normally use, so I am about to struggle. Where did it go? Yeah, I'm about to struggle with these alphas. So I'm going to fast forward it just a little bit because this is going to take me forever. Alright, I feel like I can't do anything else until I get my corner decorated. So, normally I make a tag, but I want to try something different this week and do this circle punch. And this is just one of the cards that came in the kit. Not sure if I want to use the pink side or the black side. And I really like to decorate the corner because you can really get creative and put something in your corner and still have room in your layout to write. So I'm not gonna glue this down. I'm gonna put it on a paper clip and clip it to the edge, and that way once I get to the weekend and I need to write right there, I can move this over to the other side. But before I clip it down, let's see, I think I want to decorate it a little. If I can find my glue. I'm going to add a sticky note from like my little dashboard from my planner. Let's see if it will fit. And I'm gonna have to cut this because I don't want it to hang off the edge. And this is still off the edge. And this little word sticker just says, "Do what makes your soul happy." And as you can see, I am really struggling without my tweezers. Now, I didn't put anything on the sticky note because I can write on this sticky note like as the week goes on, and I can just stick another one on top, or yeah, I'll just pull it up, because these are the Target dollar spot sticky notes, and we all know they are not that sticky. And I'm going to clip this down for now. And I just realized that I have the date wrong. I hope those ghost stickers come up. So I know this week is Friday the 13th. And I was like, wait a minute. It's not Thursday. Even though I already have a fashion girl, I felt like, I don't know, it needed one more. Okay, it really didn't. I just wanted to use another one. Because she is so cute, and I didn't want to wait. I didn't want to wait until next week to be able to use. I did add this chores sticker off camera. My camera died for a second. I added that chores sticker and one more word sticker. I'm going to move this out of the way for a second. Actually, I might be able to put, I don't want to put it on the back. Let me see, maybe I will put it on back because I don't know where to put it. And let me see if it'll, alright, I'm going to put that right there, and then I'm going to put to buy, and that way I can just keep a little list throughout the week of the things I need to pick up when I run errands on the weekend. And that is it for my layout before the ink this week. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And all the details and links for everything that I used will be in the description box. I will see you guys next time.